Welcome to another video. In this video I'll be visiting research on the cars of the day and Coryton branches, which are offered to transport for Wales. And let's start off at Cardiff Central, which has 9 platforms which are all managed by Transport for Wales.
Australia?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Thank you for sending on.
I'm going to find out, but now I had an interview Heath Low Level to capture the card. It's a 5-minute walk from Heath High Level. Coryton. Yeah. Here's that one, South Wales, Whitchurch. Heath High Level has 2 platforms, but Heath Low Level only has 1 platform, and both stations are electrified with 25 kV. That's like the South Wales Metro. Welcome to Birchgrove, which has 1 platform and is managed by Transport for Wales. Our next stop would be Glas, which is in that direction. We'll be getting a 153. We'll be getting the same 153 as to what I said, because it's just a shuttle once you're on this single track, because it's a full single track from Heath Low Level to Coryton, with a service touchdown of every half an hour, but they do want to increase it to 4 trains an hour along this branch. I start off South Wales Metro. Into Glas, which has 1 platform and is managed by Transport for Wales. We're next to Whitchurch. has a nice waiting shelter. It's not a sunrise metro. We're next to getting the train to Rhiwbina. Still River, Thames, Wales, Trains. Welcome to the Whitchurch. Just one platform is nice like transport for Wales on the Coryton line. We're going to Coryton next. Just walking to Coryton. We're passing, we have to walk past Whitchurch. Whitchurch station is right there. And we've ticked that off. And heading to Coryton. We're now walking right next to the railroad. Yeah, that's the Coryton tranche right there. Let's all that. Welcome to Coryton. So there's one platform, and there's at the end of the Coryton branch. There's a nice foot wires. To Cardiff Central, which has 5 platforms and is known as the Transport for Wales. We're not getting a service to Cardiff today, and then that'll do the end of this video visiting every station on the Coryton and day branch. We're getting into the 150 or 153 Cardiff Bay. welcome to Cardiff Day, which has one platform and is currently undergoing a major remodelling to have a second platform for the tram trains for as part of South Wales Metro. So I hope you've enjoyed this visiting every station's Cardiff Day and Coryton lines video. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and share to the Trainspotting from Berkshire.